Hello, and today we're going to be learning about special right triangles, specifically the isosceles triangle with the ratios of 45 degrees, and 90 degrees. So right now I'm drawing a diagram, so if you're more of a visual learner, you can understand how the isosceles triangles looks like. So the two legs are called / labeled the symbol on the screen, or otherwise known as L. And the side across from the 90-degree angle is called the hypotenuse, or shortened is hypo or hype. So if you're just doing math really quickly, you can also write it that way too. And the equation to find the hypotenuse, if you know the legs, is L multiplied by the root of 2. So to summarize, to find the hypotenuse, you multiply L by the root of 2. So right now we're going to do a quick example. We're going to do it together. So I'm writing the angles so we know what specific triangle it is. And we're going to try to find x. So the legs are 4, and since it's an isosceles triangle, both legs are the same side, so it's 4 and 4. So the first method is the direct scale way, and that's how it's known as. So this means that you take the ratio of sides from the triangle, which is 1, 1, and the root of 2. And aka the leg, and hypotenuse. And you're going to try to scale up from leg to hypotenuse. So 4, 4, and we're going to try to find what the next thing is. So since we multiplied the ratio by 4, we also multiply the root of 2 by 4. So the root of 4 multiplied by 4 is 4 root 2. So you basically multiply the legs by root of 2. The second method is the proportion way. So right now I'm drawing a diagram of the proportions, and it is similar to the triangle of the example. So then you take the hypotenuse over leg. So for example, if the hypotenuse is 5 and the leg is 2, the hypotenuse over leg would be 5 over 2. So x over 4 equals the root of 2 over 1, which is the example we're using since the leg is 1 and the hypotenuse is the root of 2. And we don't know x, but our leg is 4. So x over 4 multiplied by 4 over 1, and then root over 1 multiplied by 4 over 1 equals 4 root 2, and the first equation equals x. So x equals 4 root 2. And that is how we find the hypotenuse.